Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well and staying safe. For today's video we'll be going through a unboxing of Eevee from the Pokemon Nanoblock line, and this was released by Kawada. Now I'm not too sure when exactly this was released. I'm seeing conflicting dates of 2014 and 2018, so I'm thinking I might start skipping release dates because one, it seems to be a bit ambiguous, and two, not as important, I guess, but I'm just too used to doing it, obviously, doing a lot of Bandai model kits. Anyway, we're here about Eevee. So here is Eevee, 130 pieces, level 2 out of 5. Front of the packets, back of the packet, which is pretty stock standard. So I would say, just looking at that alone, a very faithful representation of Eevee in the Nanoblock style. So in terms of what is actually included, let's see if we tear this open. Open up the packets. So, instructions. Flat Eevee packets. 1, 2, 3. So 3 bags of pots, which isn't too bad. And in terms of those, so mainly brown, some black, which will be for the eyes, white, and cream, I guess is probably a good way of describing the other colour. Not too bad. These are just standard assortment of pieces. Those your bricks earlier, your miscellaneous and single bricks, and your smaller single brick pieces. So that's not too bad. In terms of the Eevee instructions, which seems to be a bit small, but then Eevee seems, if it's the 5th one, it obviously changed over time. So, like all nanoblocks, build goes down, not left to right. So base, Eevee's main, and then building that up to bulk of the body, finishing the head, ears, more ears, feet, more mane, and then final Eevee. So that's actually not too bad at all. Um, 430 pieces, so 20-25 minutes is probably my finger in the air estimate for build time. I'll probably still time it just to see. And take things from there, so that's actually not too bad. Definitely, well, looks like a very fun Eevee to build up, so definitely looking forward to doing that. And hopefully a review will be up in a few days. Well, maybe not a few days, at least within the next week or two. But any updates will be on my Instagram, and we'll touch on that in a short while. Thanks for watching, everyone. Feel free to leave a comment down below and a like if you have enjoyed today's content. Subscribe if you wish to follow my channel and stay up to date with upcoming releases. Extra content can be found on my Instagram account, link in the description down below. Once again, thank you for your support to help grow this channel. Please stay safe and take care, and I will see you all next time. See ya.